Surkhi Vidhan Sabha constituency. Surkhi Vidhan Sabha constituency is one of the 230 Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly constituencies of Madhya Pradesh state in central India. This constituency came into existence in 1951 as one of the Vidhan Sabha constituencies of Madhya Pradesh state. Overview. Surkhi constituency number 37 is one of the 8 Vidhan Sabha constituencies located in Sagar district. This constituency presently covers the entire Raigad Tehsil and part of Sagar Tehsil of the district. Surkhi is part of Sagar Lok Sabha constituency along with 7 other Vidhan Sabha segments, namely Bina, Kurai, Nariali, and Sagar in this district and Kowai, Siranj, and Shamshabad in Vidisha district. Election results 2018 results In 2020 by-election, Govind Singh Rajput of Bharatiya Janata Party won the seat by defeating Parul Sahukeshri from Indian National Congress with a margin of 40,991 votes. Rajput secured 93,294 votes, while runner-up Parul got only 52,303 votes. Thus, Rajput won by margin of 40,991 votes. Member of Legislative Assembly,